Hey guys, Eric with Retro Rides. You may have seen us on such things as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. We're here for Peter Hedren, and he builds these custom shift knobs for us, speed shifter, and he built a set for my Nomad and also for Dane's pickup truck here. So any color you want, any shape you want, and they're pretty cool, I have to say, but they're definitely universal. He made locks for mine, he made door cranks, he even made a key for it. All my turn signal knobs, you can go crazy on them. So check them out, speedshifterknobs.com. It's good.